Hey everybody, I'm back with myth number 2. I love how my hand gets bigger when I do that. It's always funny to me. Anyways, I'm back with myth number 2 about body shops, auto repair shops, body shops, collision repair shops, and what to do when you have an accident to get your car fixed. Myth number 2 is the fact that it's a lie when the insurance company tells you you have to go to a specific shop to get your car repaired. I want you to understand that just like in myth number 1, the insurance company, again, is telling you all kinds of crazy things that are not true, and they have one thing in mind. They want to save money on the cost of your repair. The shop that they're sending you to has entered into a contract with that insurance company. They've given them a labor rate discount. They may be giving them parts discounts. They're not charging for things that should be charged for and that need to be done to get your car repaired properly the first time. The body shops enter into these contracts because they can be lazy and they don't have to do any marketing or do these kinds of things like we're doing to educate the consumer, and they get the insurance company sending them customers. And the reason why the insurance company sends them these customers is because the insurance company is getting a discount on the repair. It's that simple. I've said this before, but it bears repeating. When an insurance company is telling you to go to a specific shop, that's not only a lie, because you have the right to choose any shop that you want, but it's also a federal offense. It's called steering. There you go, steering. How's that? But it's called steering. And when the insurance company is trying to steer you to a specific shop, it's a federal offense. And again, the insurance company is doing this all because they're after the cheapest repair price for them, not a quality repair for you. Keep in mind that after your vehicle's been in an accident, you're going to have to get in that and do 60, 65, 70, maybe even 80 miles an hour on an expressway with your loved ones in the car, your family, your friends, co-workers. You want to make sure that vehicle's been done or repaired correctly. So it's against the law for the insurance company to steer you or to tell you where to go to get your car repaired. That's myth number 2. I can share with you that State Farm, recently we had a client scheduled for us to do the repairs, and State Farm steered them to another shop. And oh, by the way, the total repair bill at the other shop was hundreds of dollars less than what ours was going to be. And at that point, not everything that we were going to do to the vehicle was done to this vehicle to get it back to pre-loss condition, making it safe to drive. I've shared in other videos, if you have State Farm, American Family, Geico, Progressive, you need to go find another insurance company as soon as possible. Because if you get into an accident, it's not going to be good on your end because they're trying to pay the least amount possible, and you've paid premiums for years. So this is myth number 2. You have the right to go wherever you want to go. By the way, we've started telling clients this recently because we've started doing it ourselves. We tell the insurance company, we're going to record the conversation. Once you tell the insurance company you're going to record the conversation, you'll be amazed. You'll be amazed. It's like waving a magic wand. You'll be amazed at how quickly the insurance company changes their tune because they know and they've been trained. They've been trained to steer you to this shop. They've also been trained to know that what they're doing is against the law. So as soon as you start recording that conversation, they're either going to, 1, not let you record that conversation and hang up, or 2, they're going to completely change their story. So if you want to protect your rights as the consumer, you tell the insurance company, hang on a second, I'm going to get my recorder out and I'm going to record this conversation. By the way, there's lots of apps you can download on your phone so you can easily record that conversation. So that's myth number 2 busted. You have the right to go wherever you want and get a quality repair. So have a great day, and we'll see you soon for myth number 3. That's Mythbuster number 3.